Hi, Andrew here for tabletblog.de, again with the Samsung Galaxy Note 8.0 that was introduced yesterday at Mobile World Congress here in Barcelona. Now we want to take a closer look at the accessories that are optional for the new 8-inch tablet. And for me the most interesting one isn't actually new. This stylus here was introduced for the Galaxy Note 10.1 at IFA. It's already half a year ago, I think. And yeah, first of all, it's a way better stylus than the one that goes with the tablet, because it's a little bit bigger. It just lays better in your hand. It's just easier to write with it. But the most important thing is, as you know, you can actually replace a smartphone with the Galaxy Note 8.0 because you can make phone calls. But maybe it looks a little bit weird to put an 8-inch device next to your ear. So that's where the stylus here comes handy, because it's actually at the same time a headset that's connected via Bluetooth. So you have a phone button, volume buttons here, and you can just pick up calls with it like with a normal headset. Just pull it out, put it to your ear. I think it looks a lot better actually than an 8-inch device next to your ear. So it's pretty interesting. Next to it there's a Samsung Galaxy keyboard dock. It's optional, Bluetooth. It will be available for most Samsung tablets because they are not producing the keyboard docks anymore that were introduced with the first Galaxy Tab back in 2009. So now we have a Bluetooth keyboard. Also there's accessories for car, an extra battery, and of course this case here, I haven't showed you that actually. It's a nice plastic case here on the back, and the display is also protected. And then actually the display is turned off if you put it on. It works with magnets like with the iPad. So off, it's turned off as you can see, and now it's turning on. The display only. That's nice. And there are also other couple of cases available. Let's quickly go around here. So it's basically a sleeve. The Galaxy Note 8.0 goes inside there, and then you can also use it as a stand in different angles. That's basically the accessories for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8.0. I'm Angel for tabletblog.de. Thanks for watching.